Step one in getting SalesScripter set up is going to be for you to create your campaign coordinates. We use the word campaign a lot here at SalesScripter, and to let you know how we use this word, a campaign is a set of talking points and questions that are set and communicated to a prospect. This can include everything that you say when you're making phone calls, leaving voicemails, sending emails, when you're out networking, when you're interacting on social media. It could also impact a lot of marketing deliverables, such as a website, marketing collateral, blog posts. A campaign typically will be structured to sell and drive demand for a particular product and be targeting a particular audience. Now, you could operate with one campaign that sells everything that you sell and targets everybody in a very general way. When you're ready to get a little bit more sophisticated, you can operate with multiple campaigns. You can have a campaign for all the different products that you sell, because when you change from one product to another, your questions and benefits and talk tracks might change. You could also create campaigns that are targeting different audiences. When you change from one audience to another, the benefits that you provide, the problems that you help to fix, and the questions that you should ask can all change slightly. And to really operate at a very optimum level, to have tailored messaging for the different audiences that you sell to can help to improve your results. As you can see, you can create a lot of different campaigns, but we are firm believers here at SalesScripter around crawl, walk, run. So we want to get you crawling first, and that's going to be for you to develop one campaign. And we'd recommend sort of a broad campaign that might focus on everything that you sell or one particular product that you sell most of the time, and targeting either a broad audience or a target audience that you sell to most of the time. Your walk step is going to be to really incorporate that campaign into your process and really get familiar with all the different sales tools that SalesScripter has to offer you. Once you're comfortable with that and up and running, work towards developing those secondary campaigns that really drill into different product groups or target audiences. If that has you a little intimidated, don't worry. SalesScripter is going to walk you through how to structure all of that and get going in the right direction. When you log into SalesScripter, you're going to end up at this page. This is your dashboard. What you want to do is you want to go over here to the left and you want to click on this campaign coordinates stage. The first step is to brainstorm the products and services you sell and enter those over here. The first one you might want to put in is a broad grouping of everything that you sell. So in this example, workforce management software. So that's an umbrella of all the different products. Under that umbrella are individual products like timekeeping, scheduling, and then implementation services and training services. Now, these are individual products, and the first one is everything that this might be grouped under. Now, don't worry too much about how often you talk about one of these or what your sales strategy is. This is a brainstorming exercise, so just go ahead and list out, and you can click this button if you want to continue to add more. The second step is to brainstorm the target audiences that you sell to. The first one you want to enter, you might either enter something very broad that kind of includes everybody that you could sell to, and then you can drill in, and we've put some examples over here, but you could either put the titles of particular individuals that target departments. You can even put types of businesses in terms of industry or size, and just do a quick brainstorm. Now, when you hit next, the software is going to display this matrix, and you'll notice you have your target audiences and your target prospects all listed up here, and then the products that you sell on this axis. And at each intersection point is a selection box that you can check. What you want to do from here is select the campaigns that you want to create. So I know that I'm going to want a very broad campaign that focuses on everything I sell, targeting all businesses, but I also then want a scheduling campaign targeting manufacturers, and then another broad campaign targeting CFOs. So these are the three campaigns that I know I'm going to want to create as I get going, and I'll probably start with the very broad one. When I hit done, I'm taken to the second step in the content creation stage, which is campaigns. Here you'll see those three campaigns that I selected. Now I can click edit to begin building that campaign. As I mentioned, if you're trying just to get through your crawl stage, you might just want to build this one campaign and focus on that, and then you have these other campaigns that you can build whenever you're ready to begin to get more sophisticated.